Maths Part 1st Standard 10th Unit number 1 Linear Equation in two variable. Practice set 1.4 All examples. Hello friends, today we are going to learn about Maths Part 1st Standard 10th Unit number 1 Linear Equation in two variable. In this chapter, see the practice set 1.4. Here the example. Example number first. Solve the following simultaneous equations. First is a 2 upon x minus 3 upon x is equal to 15. Second, 8 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal to 77. Write down the solution. First, write down this equation. 2 upon x minus 3 upon y is equal to 15. And second, 8 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal to 77. This is the first equation and this is the second equation. This equation is converted to linear equation. Here substituting m is equal to 1 upon x and n is equal to 1 upon y. Here the equation becomes 1 upon x is a m. या ठिकाणी 1 छेद x बरोबर m आणि 1 छेद y बरोबर n मानलेलं आहे. Here this equation is 2m minus 3n is equal to 15 and second equation is a 8m plus 5n is equal to 77. या पद्धतीनं ही समीकरण तयार होतील. This is the third equation, this is the fourth equation. Observe this. Coefficient of variable m is 8, 2 and here the coefficient of n variable 5 and 3. Here the equal the coefficient of m variable to multiply by equation 3 to 4. या ठिकाणी समीकरण 3 ला जर 4 ने गुणलं तर m चलाचे सहगुणक समान होतात. म्हणून मल्टिप्लाइंग इक्वेशन 3 by multiplying equation 3 by 4. हे समीकरण 3 ला आपल्याला 4 ने गुणावं लागेल. आता 4 ने गुणल्यानंतर इथं काय होईल? यार 4 into 2 8m 4 into 3 12m and 4 into 15 is equal to 16. This is the fifth equation. Observe equation 4 and 5. The coefficient of m variable is equal, but here the sign is the same, and then the subtraction of these two equation, subtract equation 5 from 4. या ठिकाणी आपल्याला चलाचे सहगुणक समान मिळालेले आहेत, पण या ठिकाणी धन धन चिन्ह आहेत. म्हणजे ज्यांची जर बेरीज केली तर याचं इलिमिनेटिंग होणार नाही चलाचं. म्हणून आपल्याला काय करायला लागेल? समीकरण 5 हे समीकरण 4 मधून वजा करावं लागेल. सबट्रॅक्टिंग इक्वेशन 5 from equation 4. Write down equation 4. 8m plus 5m is equal to 77, and subtract equation 5, 8m minus 12m is equal to 60. या ठिकाणी सबट्रॅक्ट करतो म्हणजे वजाबाकी करताना दुसऱ्या समीकरणाची चिन्ह इथं बदलतात. इथं वजा, या ठिकाणी -2 प्लस, and here the minus. 8m is eliminating this variable, plus 5n and plus 12n is equal to 17n. 77 minus 60 is a 70. Here the value of n is equal to 70 upon 70. n is equal to 17 upon 17 is equal to 1. या ठिकाणी 17 भागिले 17 n ची किंमत किती आलेली आहे? n बरोबर 1 किंमत आलेली आहे. आता ही किंमत आहे ती एका समीकरणात ठेवा आणि m ची किंमत काढा. substituting n is equal to 1 in, here the equation 3. Write down first equation 3, 2m minus 3n is equal to 15. Here 2m minus 3 into value of n is equal to 1 is equal to 15. Therefore 2m minus 3 is equal to 15, and 2m is equal to 15. 3 goes to right hand, plus 3. 2m is equal to 15 plus 3, 18, and m is equal to 18 upon 2. 2 goes to divide, therefore value of m is equal to 2 9s are 18. 2 9s are 18. Here the value of m is equal to 9. या ठिकाणी m ची किंमत 9 आली आणि n ची किंमत 1 आलेली आहे. आता या ठिकाणी सबस्टिट्यूट केलेला m बरोबर 1/x आणि n बरोबर 1/y, म्हणून त्या ठिकाणी किमती ठेवून x y च्या किमती आपल्याला काढाव्या लागतील. बट हियर दी 1 upon x is equal to m and 1 upon y is equal to n. Put the value of m and n. 1 upon x is equal to n, 9. Value of m is equal to 9 and value of n is equal to 1. Here the inverse of this number x is equal to inverse of 9, 1 upon 9, and here the 1 upon y inverse is the y, and inverse of 1 is the 1. Here the value of x is 1 upon 9 and y is equal to 1. या ठिकाणी x ची किंमत 1/9 आली आणि y ची किंमत 1 आलेली आहे. Here the answer xy is equal to 1 upon 9, 1 is the solution. अशा पद्धतीने हे आपल्याला एक सामायिक समीकरण सोडवता येईल. See the next example number 2. 10 upon x plus y plus 2 upon x minus y is equal to 4. Second equation 15 upon x plus y minus 5 upon x minus y is equal to -2. First write down this equation. Solution: 10 upon x plus y plus 2 upon x minus y is equal to 4, and second equation 15 upon x plus y minus 5 upon x minus y is equal to -2. This is the first equation and this is the second equation. First, convert this equation in linear equation in two variable. Here the substitute in next example, substitute 1 upon x is a m, and in this equation example 1 upon x plus y and 1 plus x minus y is substituting values m and n. Here substituting m is equal to substitute 1 upon x plus y is equal to m and 1 upon x minus y is equal to n. या ठिकाणी 1/x अधिक y आणि 1/x वजा y यांच्या जागेवर m आणि n किमती लिहून समीकरण लिहूया. Here this equation is 10m plus 2m n is equal to 4. Equation second 15m minus 5m is equal to -2. This is the equation 3 and this is the equation 4. या ठिकाणी समीकरण 3 व 4 आलेलं आहे. आता या समीकरणांच्या चलाचे सहगुणक समान करून घ्या. तर इथे सहगुणक समान करताना here the equal the coefficient of n variable to multiply by equation 3 to 5 and equation 4 by 2. n चे सहगुणक जर समान करायचे असतील तर समीकरण 3 ला 5 न गुणावं लागेल. 5 दुनी 10 आणि दुसऱ्या समीकरणाला चौथ्या समीकरणाला 2 न गुणावं लागेल. 5 दुनी 10 तरच हे कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ n व्हेरिएबल इज इक्वल. या समीकरणाचे सहगुणक समान होतील. म्हणून मल्टिप्लाइंग हियर मल्टिप्लाइंग इक्वेशन 3 by 5 and multiplying equation 4 by 2. Here the multiply 5 by equation 3. 5 10s are 15m plus 5 2s are 10 n is equal to 5 2s are 5 4s are 20. This is the equation 5th. And multiplying equation 4 by 2. 15 2s are 30m. Here the 5 2s are 10n is equal to 2 2s are 4 and here the minus 4. This is the equation 6. Variable n of coefficient is equal plus 10 and minus 10. Here the sign is different. Then the adding of these two equation, adding equation 5 and 6 to eliminate the variable n, adding इक्वेशन 5 and 6 या दोन समीकरणांची बेरीज करा. हियर राइट डाउन दिस इक्वेशन 15m plus 10n is equal to 20 and 30m plus minus 10n is equal to -4. Here the adding is not change the sign of second equation. या ठिकाणी बेरीज आहे त्यामुळे दुसऱ्या समीकरणाची चिन्ह बदलणार नाहीत. 80m 15m plus 13m is 18m 80m 10 plus 10m and minus 10n eliminating these two term या ठिकाणी एकमेकाला कॅन्सल होतील. 20 minus 4 is equal to 16. Here the m is equal to 16 upon 80. 16 5 जा 80. Therefore the value of m is 1/5. 16 एके 16, 16 पंचे 80 या ठिकाणी किंमत आली म्हणून m ची किंमत 1/5 आलेली आहे. आता ही व्हॅल्यू एका इक्वेशन मध्ये पुट करूया. पुटिंग m is equal to 1/5 in equation 3. First write down equation 3. 10m plus 2n is equal to 4. Therefore 10 into value of m is 1/5 plus 2n is equal to 4. Here 5 to the 10, 2 plus 2n is equal to 4. Therefore 2n is equal to 4 minus 2. 2 goes to right hand side to minus. Therefore 2n is equal to 2 and n is equal to 2/2. 2 1s are 2. Therefore value of n is equal to 1. या ठिकाणी m ची किंमत 1/5 आली, n ची किंमत 1 आली. आता या किमती आहेत ते या मध्ये 1/x अधिक y बरोबर m आणि x वजा y बरोबर n यामध्ये ठेवूया. but 1/x plus y is equal to m and 1/x minus y is equal to n. Put the value of m and n. m is the 1/5 and n is equal to 1. 1/x plus y is equal to 1/5 and 1/x minus y is equal to 1. The inverse of this equation is the inverse. Here the x plus y or cross multiplication of these two ratios, x plus y is equal to 5 and x minus y is equal to 1. This is the equation 7 and this is the equation 8. Here find the value of xy, which is the find of value of x and y. Here the adding these two equation, adding equation 7 and equation 8, x plus y is equal to 5 and x minus y is equal to 1. Here the adding x plus x is the 2x plus y minus y is the eliminating. Here the 5 plus 1 is the 6. Here the x is equal to 6/2. Therefore value of x 2 3s are 6. The value of x is 3. Put this value in equation 7. Put the value of x is equal to, put x is equal to 3 in equation 7. First write down this equation 7. X plus y is equal to 5. Value of x, put the value of x 3 plus y is equal to 5. Therefore y is equal to 5 minus 3 and value of y 5 minus 3 is 2. The value of x is 3 and value of y is equal to 2. Here answer xy is equal to 3. Value of x 3 and value of y is equal to 2 is the solution. Is the solution of given equation. In this type solve above example. See the next example. Example number 3. 27 upon x minus 2 plus 31 upon y plus 3 is equal to 85, and second 31 upon x minus 2 plus 27 upon y plus 3 is equal to 89. Solution here. First, write down these two equations. 27 upon x minus 2 plus 31 upon y plus 3 is equal to 85. Second, 31 upon x minus 2 plus 27 upon y plus 3 is equal to 89. This is the equation first and this is the second equation. In this equation, substitute 1 upon x minus 2 is equal to m and 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to n. Substituting 1 upon x minus 2 is equal to m and 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to n, and write down these two equations. Here 27m plus 31n is equal to 85 and 31m plus 27n is equal to 89. This is the equation 3 and 4. Here the coefficient of first equation interchange to second equation. In this type equation solving, to adding these two equation and find one equation and subtract two equation and find one equation and solve these two equation and find out the value of variable x and y. या ठिकाणी ही दोन समीकरण दिलेले आहेत. चलांच्या सहगुणकांचं जर निरीक्षण केलं 27 आणि 31 आहे, या ठिकाणी 31 आणि 27 आहे. या प्रकारची उदाहरणं सोडवण्यासाठी पहिल्यांदा या समीकरणांची बेरीज करून एक समीकरण मिळवा आणि त्या दोघांची वजाबाकी करा आणि त्यावरून एक समीकरण मिळवा. हियर adding equation 3 and 4. Equation 3 and 4. Write down these two equations. 27m plus 31n is equal to 85 plus 31m plus 27n is equal to 18. And here the adding, it have not changed sign in second equation. 7 and 1 8 58m plus here the addition 31 and 27 58n, and here 9 4 14 is equal to 1, remaining 8 8 16 and 1 17. Here the dividing both this side by 58, here the remaining part divide by 58. Here 58 ones are 58, m plus n is equal to 58 3s are 174. Here the reason, dividing by both side by 58. या ठिकाणी 58 समीकरणाच्या दोन्ही बाजूला भागलेलं आहे. देन नेक्स्ट सबट्रॅक्ट इक्वेशन 3 फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 4. हियर नेक्स्ट subtracting equation 3 from equation 4. Subtracting equation 3 from equation 4. First write down equation 3. Equation 4, 31m plus 27n is equal to 89, and second 27m plus 31n is equal to 85. Here the subtraction of these two equations, the sign changed the sign in second equation. Here the plus is minus, here the minus and minus. 31m upon 27 is a 4m. Here the plus 27m minus 31n is a minus 4n is equal to 4. Here the dividing by both sides is a 4, and therefore m minus n is equal to 1. Here this equation is the fifth equation, and this is the sixth equation. Here the dividing both side by dividing both side by 4. या ठिकाणी समीकरणाच्या दोन्ही बाजूला 4 ने भागलेला आहे. In this equation 5 and 6, adding equation 5 and 6, adding equation 5 and 6, here 5 is the m plus n is equal to 3, and 6 m minus n is equal to 1. Here the adding these two equation, m plus m 2m, here the plus n minus n cancelling is equal to 3 plus 1 is the 4. Here the m is equal to 4 upon 2, and the value of m is 2 to the 4. या ठिकाणी m ची किंमत किती आलेली आहे, 2 आलेली आहे. Put this value m is equal to 2 in equation 5. या ठिकाणी आलेली m ची किंमत समीकरण 5 मध्ये ठेवूया. Put the value of m, put m is equal to 2 in equation 5. First write down equation 5. 5 is the m plus 3, m plus n is equal to 3. Value of m is 2. 2 plus n is equal to 3, and therefore n is equal to 3 minus 2. Therefore the value of n, 3 minus 2, is 1. This is the value of n, and this is the value of m, but we know that 1 upon x minus 2 is equal to m, and 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to n. Put the value in this equation. 1 upon x minus 2, and value of m is 2, and 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to value of n is equal to 1. Here the cross multiplication of these two ratio, 2 into x minus 2 is equal to 1, and y plus 3 is equal to 1. Here 2 into x, 2x minus 2 to the 4 is equal to 1, and y is equal to 1 minus 3. Therefore 2x is equal to 1 plus 4, and y is equal to 1 minus 3 is a minus 2, and here the value of x is equal to 5 upon 2, and value of y is equal to minus 2. Answer, here the answer xy is equal to, value of x is 5 upon 2, value of y is equal to minus 2 is the solution. Is the solution. In this type solve the above example. अशा पद्धतीने हे वरील उदाहरण आपल्याला सोडवता येईल. Let's see the next example number 4. 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 3 upon 4, and second equation 1 upon 2 into 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 into 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 upon 8. Here the solution. First, write down these two equations. First equation is 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 3 upon 4. This is the first equation. And second, 1 upon 2 into bracket 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 into 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 upon 8. This is the second equation. First, these two equations write down in the linear equation in two variable form. Here substituting 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to m and 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to n. Write down this equation. Given equation becomes 1 m plus n is equal to 3 upon 4, and second equation m upon 2 minus n upon 2 is equal to minus 1 upon 8. This is the equation 3 and this is the equation 4. These two equations simplify to solve the linear equation. To multiply equation 3 by 4 and multiply by equation 4 by 8. Here first multiplying equation 3 by 4 and equation 4 by 8. Here the multiply by 4 in equation 3, 4m plus 4m n is equal to 3 upon 4 into 4, 4 cancel, remaining 3. This is the equation 5th, and here the multiply by 8, 2 4s are 8, here the 4m minus here n upon 2 into 8, here the minus 4n, here the remaining minus 1 upon 8 into 8, 8 cancel, आठ cancel झालं. या ठिकाणी ही दोन समीकरण आली. हे समीकरण 5 आणि हे समीकरण 6 नंबरच. या ठिकाणी समीकरणामध्ये चल n चलाचे सहगुणक, the coefficient of n variable are equal, then the adding these two equation 5 and 6 to eliminating n variable. Here adding equation 5 and 6. Write down this equation. 4m plus 4n is equal to 3. Adding 4m, 6th equation minus 4n is equal to minus 1. Here the adding 4m, 8m, 4m, 8m plus 4n minus 4n eliminating. 3 minus 1 is a 2, therefore m is equal to 2 upon 8, and the value of m 2 4s are 8, and the value of m 1 upon 4. Put this value in a equation 5. Put m is equal to 1 upon 4 in equation 5. First write down equation 5 4m plus 4n is equal to 3. Put the value of m is equal to 1 upon 4 plus 4n is equal to 3. Therefore 4 cancelling here, remaining 1 plus 4n is equal to 3. Therefore 4n is equal to 3 minus 1. 4n is equal to 2. Therefore n is equal to 2 upon 4, and the value of n is 2 to the 4. The value of n is 1 upon 2. But 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to m and 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to n. Put the value of m and n in this equation and find the value of x, y. या ठिकाणी आपण m च्या आणि n च्या किमती काढलेल्या आहेत. त्यावरून आता x आणि y च्या किमती काढूया. but 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to m and 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to n. Put the value of m and n here. 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to value of m 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 1 upon 2. Here the cross multiplication and the becomes equation 3x plus y is equal to 4, and second equation 3x minus y is equal to 2. This is the equation number 7 and equation number 8. Here the variable of y coefficient is the equal, then the adding these two equation and find out the value of x and y. Adding equation 7 and 8. Here the 3x plus y is equal to 4 and here the 3x minus y is equal to 2. Adding these two equation 3x here the 6x, y variable is eliminating, 4 and 2 is a 6. Therefore value of x is the 6 upon 6. It is the value of x is equal to 1. This value is put in the equation 7 and find the value of y. Put the here value of x, put x is equal to 1 in equation 7. First write down the equation 7 is 3x plus y is equal to 4. Put the value of x is 1. 3 into 1 into y is equal to 4. 3 1 the 3 plus y is equal to 4. Therefore y is equal to 4. 3 goes to the right hand side to minus. Therefore value of y is equal to 1. And here the answer is xy. Value of x is equal to 1 and value of y is equal to 1 is the solution of this equation. This type of question are asked in your question paper in 4 marks. In question number 4, विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो या प्रकारचे प्रश्न आहेत सराव संच 1.4 मधील. या प्रकारचे प्रश्न परीक्षेत 4 गुणासाठी आपल्याला विचारले जाऊ शकतात. धन्यवाद. थँक्स टू ऑल ऑफ यू.